Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to do another question on strings, which will be remove duplicates from a string. We'll be taking one string and we'll make sure we are able to remove every single duplicate character from that particular string. So let's get into the implementation. So we are going to create a method called remove duplicates. Let's create that method. Okay, now it is supposed to return a string, and this is supposed to be a just a simple word. Let's name it input. Okay, now what we are supposed to do, we are going to take a hash set which will be storing each of these characters, and the moment the character repeats, we are going to skip it. Okay, so and the moment the character repeats, we are not going to store it in the result. Okay, so let's do that. Set of character scene character, considering that as a scene character import class. Okay, is equal to new hash set. Now let's take a string builder for result is equal to new string builder. Now what we are going to do, for each of the character in input dot, let's connect to convert the whole thing to a lowercase, so that we are not confused about the casing of it, whether it's in uppercase or lowercase. Let's convert the whole thing in lowercase. Dot to character array. So what we are going to do, in this whole character array, each of the character, what we need to do, if this set, the scene contains this character, actually if it does not contain a character, then what we are supposed to do, this set is supposed to add that character, and you're supposed to add that particular character to your result as well. Result dot append character. Okay, and that's it. Every single character which is being passed, if it's a new one, then only it will get added to the set, and it will get added to the result as well. Okay, otherwise you're going to skip it. So let's return that result dot toString. Let's try our implementation. I don't think we have to do anything else here. Let's try running it. Okay, we are supposed to get, okay, sure. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting Sherlock M. So in Sherlock Holmes, as you can see, Sherlock, each character is unique. Okay, that's why you are able to see the full name here. But in this one, except for M, every single character is repeated. H is repeated, O is repeated, L is repeated, M is not repeated, E is repeated, and S is repeated. So as you can see, this is a space, because space is came for the first time. That's why you're able to see that as well. Okay, so our logic is working perfectly fine. We are able to remove the duplicates with the help of hash set logic, because hash set, we know, is supposed to only store the unique set of values. Okay, we use that particular logic, and we made sure that our logic works as well. So yeah, I guess we are done with the implementation. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.